Hello everyone, this is Greg here. Thank you for watching. And today I want to show you some positions of Coinbase. It's certainly been a very exciting week for crypto traders. We have seen big rise in almost every single crypto out there. It's like someone just boosted the crypto market back to life. So yeah, let's look at some of the positions here. And before that, let's go over a brief summary of what's happening in the crypto market. So first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Yesterday, it made a big move, a 6% move in just one day, breaking back above 69,000 in just one day. Its highest level in the last 3 months or so. Very exciting. Now, what's more exciting is this was actually not a normal buying. It was actually a huge short squeeze. Roughly $1 billion worth of crypto was actually, crypto short positions were actually liquidated, and just within an hour. So that's crazy. So a short squeeze happens when short sellers are forced to buy back their stock all of a sudden. So you have people buying and you have short sellers covering their position by buying, and up it goes. That's why we're seeing this rise right here. And so when Bitcoin rised, so did Coinbase. It pretty much rallied with the rest of the cryptos, also going up 6% here. And right now, as we speak, the open interest of Coinbase is right about over 1 million. That's quite a high open interest. But here's what's interesting. The current open interest is actually below its 52-week average, as you can see here. So its current open interest is actually lower than its 1-year historical average. And look at the OI percentile here. It's only about 22.5%. So that tells us that despite the huge rise that we're seeing here in Bitcoin and Coinbase, open interest is not at extreme levels. It's lower than our 1-year average. Okay, so what does this mean? What is the option market telling us right now? In layman's term, it means that right now there's potentially still plenty of room up there for more excitement down the road. Things are perhaps not overbought yet. Things are perhaps not overhyped yet. There's room for more excitement, in layman's term. But keep in mind that this excitement could be swinging in the other direction as well, going downwards like it did many times this year. But yeah, let's look at the some of the positions we have to see exactly where everybody stands. Let's look at how some of the key players are positioning themselves in the market right now. Let's see if we can find some bullish or bearish positions or hedging positions. And again, these are not all of the positions available in the market, just the key important or bigger, more unique positions that our algorithm has picked out. Just wanted to clarify that. So yeah, let's start right here. Let's look at this position here. Yep, so right away, this is a huge bullish position. Somebody is betting that the price will continue to rise, passing 180 in a couple of weeks, in a month or so. This one as well, huge positions. Yeah, so immediately we're jumping into oh, actually this is a bearish position. Okay, so yeah, right away we're seeing mixed signals here, and these are yeah, these are potentially from bigger players, institutional traders. This one right here is betting that the price will not cross 200 in the following weeks. Huge position, collecting premium on the high implied volatility. Let's continue. This one is bullish. I think this one is bearish as well, betting that the price will not cross 210. So essentially 210 and 200 might be, actually hold on, 210, 200, yeah, 210, 200 might be our resistance here, potentially. Okay, this one is bullish as well, betting that the price will go, well actually, but yeah, betting that the price will move from 170 to 185. At least betting that it's moving forward, moving upwards. Let's continue. Yep, this one is bullish as well. This one as well. Big position, betting that the price will go above 180 in the next few weeks, potentially. So right, yeah, immediately we're seeing mixed signals on the call side. Let's look at some of the positions on the put side. Okay, so this one is a big bearish position, betting that the price will go below 165 in a couple of weeks. Interesting. Okay, I think we've gone through this one. Yeah, this one's bullish. Different strategy type, but bullish, betting that the price will not go below 160 in a couple of weeks. And yeah, if you're planning on entering this trade here and you're not sure how far the price will be moving in the next few weeks, this could be this type of position could potentially be a good setup, because as long as the price is moving upwards or staying relatively flat, not going below 160, you can be making good profits from this. And again, because right now the implied volatility is quite high, you'll be collecting decent premium from this. Yeah, interesting setup. Let's continue. This one as well, betting that the price will not go below 155 in a couple of weeks. Bullish position as well. Actually, let's see. Yep, gone through that one already. And this is a bearish position. In fact, this might be a hedge just because it's further out the money. But you never know. This ticker here is quite volatile, alongside with the whole crypto market. Things can often be quite volatile, so you never know. Potentially a hedge. And this one is bullish as well. Wait. Yeah, we have gone through this one. Okay, let's move on to the singles. Let's see what positions we have here. Yep, so immediately bullish again at the 200 price, strike price. Huge size, huge position. This one as well, bullish, 781 contracts. Okay, so this one is bearish. At least it's betting that the price will not go above 220. Could be a covered call. Yeah, actually, likely. Can never be 100% certain, but yeah, likely a covered call. So that means somebody is potentially holding a big long position on this ticker, betting that the whole crypto market alongside with Coinbase will be rising in a couple of weeks. So they have a huge long position and want to collect some premium. That's why they, if this is a covered call position, that's why somebody would use it. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, this one is a big bullish position as well. Now, actually, some of these positions I said bullish, but potentially bullish. They might be hedges because it's Coinbase we're talking about. There's quite a big short position. A lot of the short positions did clear, yes, but There's still a lot of remaining short positions for sure, and potentially new ones. And if you're betting that the price will drop on this ticker in a couple of weeks and you're not sure, especially on in the crypto market, you better be hedging. And these might be hedging positions for a bigger short position. We'll never know, or they could be bullish. Anyways, just keep that in mind, the possibilities. This one as well, bullish or a hedge. Now when we come closer to the spot price, these are more likely potentially true directional bullish bets, because typically when these traders are hedging against a short position, they will typically be hedging it further out of the money. Also because when it's closer to the spot price, the premiums will be crazy expensive. And again, hopefully I can show you the net premiums on these positions soon. Right now, potentially in October, I'll be getting permission to show you that. Yeah, later. That will be interesting when we start showing those positions. When I can show you those positions. Okay, on the put side, we have this one is bearish, likely bearish, betting that the price will drop below 165 within in the coming weeks. Let's move on. This one as well. This one is bearish. Potentially a hedge for a long position, bigger long position. But oh, here there's a bullish move, bullish strategy, betting that the price will not drop below 160 in the coming weeks. Again, taking full advantage of the higher implied volatility, more expensive premiums, collecting more expensive premiums. And if you are looking into this type of position, just be very careful with this type of volatile stocks, because if it was me, I would be feeling more confident placing this type of naked short put trade in, say, a Magnificent 7 stock. I'll be more comfortable placing this type of order there, because even if the price drop, I am prepared to own the stock, so I can essentially take my loss and execute the contract and end up with a handful of stocks. But with Coinbase, things can be quite volatile. If the crypto market suddenly crashes, and say if Coinbase loses half its value within a couple of weeks, then yeah, this type of position can be quite catastrophic. It will be a nightmare. Of course, the pro traders are, again, never sitting around and waiting for something to go against them. I'm sure they have a strong hedging mechanism in place when something doesn't go their way. So if you plan on placing any of these trades, actually, just always be careful. Always know the risk. But anyways, thank you for watching the video today. Just wanted to show you some of these interesting bigger positions out there. As always, if you have any comments, any feedbacks, please leave it in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.